Hello everybody, thank you so much for watching this free training video. So in this training video I'm going to reveal my secret method that I have been using to find how much Clickbank offers are getting traffic, and this is a really great way to find great and easy way to find hot offers. So what you first want to do is you want to go to Clickbank. Then you want to pick your product or first your niche. So I'm going to go with health niche. Then you just want to sort them by gravity, which means that this basically shows an indication that how much this product is selling. So for example, this product is selling really well right now. So what you want to do is you want to look how much the website is getting traffic, where it's getting its traffic, and which countries like bringing the most of the traffic, and which traffic sources bringing the most traffic. And to find this out, you will have to go to similarweb.com/website. Then you want to click the product and the Clickbank offer that you want to start promoting. Then just copy the URL and then paste it to SimilarWeb. Like you can see, here's the website, science.leptidocs.com, and here we should see the traffic. Yeah, so this product is actually I believe that this is a brand new product, and this would be a great product to promote because it's brand new, so it's not saturated. And as you can see, so yeah, this would be a really good product to, so this has been launched in 2019 August, and as you can see, like million views a month. And as you can see, this is not a website, this is just a landing page. They don't have blog here, and like all the like million people who are coming to this website, they are not here to read blog posts or to watch free content. They are here because they are buying this offer, so which means that they are making a lot of money with this product. And the second thing that we want to look after total visits, and as you can see, here's a really good indication, like pages per visit, 2 pages. So that means that they are coming from, so like all of the people are watching this video and then clicking the button that will show up after the video, which means that a lot of people are buying this product. Because if there was page visits only one, that means that they are not going. Majority of people are just watching the video and clicking instantly off. But the people are actually watching this video and then clicking to the sales page, which means that this product is really converting really well. And the second thing that you want to look is sorry, I accidentally clicked that. So the second thing that you want to look is where the traffic is coming from and how well it's performing. Like you can see, this is a really hot product. 3,000 presents in raising in Australia, Canada, United States, United Kingdom are top ones. So this is a rising product, and it's really good product to promote because a lot of people aren't promoting this, and obviously this is converting super well. Like you can see, it's starting to get some attraction, so this would be the perfect product. The next thing that you want to look is the traffic sources. So display is really big. It seems to display if you want to promote this product, search native advertising, or you can go rev. Damn, I don't remember it was something rev. I actually used it a couple of months ago. It was something like rev. I don't remember, but it's you just can Google native ads platform and just create native ads and start making money with this, because this is obviously converting. With weight loss products, it's really hard to promote weight loss products on Facebook and Instagram because or Google, because you can't say that here's how I saved my wife's life with a 5-second hack that kills the food carving and melts. All this is too much for Facebook. You have to say you have to word it different. But of course you can of course you can promote this product on Facebook if you want, and I think that you should. So another thing that you want to look is how much shows, like where's the traffic coming from social. And as you can see, there is not much people advertising on Facebook. Pinterest is really low too, so maybe Pinterest would be good. So Pinterest is really amazing traffic source, and people on Pinterest tend to buy a lot of products. So if I would promote this product, I would just make, you know, Pinterest account on health and wellness niche, and just make some ads about this and start making money. Like it's really this simple, and this is something that a lot of the gurus and you know, YouTubers don't show, because this is actually like how you can make money with Clickbank. You have to find the product that like is just like this. It's rising. So I can show you product that is not rising. It's still in the top Clickbank products on health and fitness, but as you can see, Cinderella Solutions. You go here, Cinderella Solutions.com. I don't know what it's doing. Here. Let's take a look here. And as you can see, you're gonna like instantly see their traffic starts dying, which means that this product is there's too much competition and this product is way too old. Like you can see, pages per visit is not nearly high as in this product, and the bounce rate is a lot higher, and the traffic is declining drastically. And here's the most important part. Like in United States, you can see the traffic by countries, 2% like decrease. United Kingdom 18%, Canada 15%. Australia is now popping, but it's really not that significant. Here you can see also display advertising plays a huge role. Like email is not doing that great. Social is really doing something. Search is not good. So if you want to promote this product, I wouldn't promote this product, I would promote this product. But if you want to promote any Clickbank products, like display advertising is the way to go, because that's the way people are making money with this. And here you can see that Pinterest is really high here. So you can do the same thing with this product. Like nobody's promoting this product on Pinterest, but a lot of people are promoting this product on Pinterest, and it's working. So you should do the same for this. Just copy what this has, what Cinderella Solution, how people have been promoting Cinderella Solution, and take that same method and promote this leptidux thing. So yeah, this just go through all these Clickbank products, copy the URL, and just paste it in SimilarWeb and check out what where the traffic is coming from, what countries, what platforms, and how much traffic they are getting. So I hope that you found this video helpful. I will post more like these kind of secret strategies and tactics that I have learned in over these years that I have been doing affiliate marketing. And yeah, if you like this video, please consider subscribing and please leave a like. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.